So part of what we're going to be doing here is we're reframing the doorway. I don't need 16-foot wide doors here. I can get the baler and the tractor in through a 10-foot wide door, no problem. We're going to keep the same height. These doors are going to go because we're actually putting a slider on here, which is something I wish I had done from the outset. Would have saved a lot of headaches, but it'll also be a lot more weatherproof than this menagerie out here. We also have, if you remember, it's been a long time, but if you remember, I flared out the bottom of my siding on this building, and in order for me to put a slider on this, that's not going to work out. So I've got to get rid of that flare on the bottom, and that'll help us do what we need to do a lot easier. So we're probably going to start with that. We're going to be putting a layer of tar paper on. I have enough boards to at least do the lower half of the front I picked up today. I just don't have time to get to the woods right now to go cutting siding. It's over 2 hours away. The price of fuel, you guys know, everybody's suffering through it right now. But and I also can't get a logger to return my phone call. You guys remember, if you've been with the channel a long time, that was always an issue here when we were trying to build the building. That's why I ended up going after my own trees. So we're buying boards from the Amish sawmills. That's just the way it goes. So let's get after it.
I was on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. Living in a dark, clouded haze, we danced, we fought. We were bound to make mistakes, real love, we thought. But it was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on wire, reckless it seemed. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain.
Well, it's that time again where it looks like we're just destroying the shop once more after I just got most of it cleaned up. But what we're working on right now outside of this building has been needed to be done, well, I'll tell you what, well, a few years now. I guess close to 4 years we've had to get to this step. I can't believe it's been that long. So we're going to do a layer of tar paper, another layer of boards. That will get us nice and waterproof and dried in here. It'll get rid of the daylight showing through. It'll be a lot easier to heat this place without the wind blowing through here like a picket fence. My thoughts and feelings on board and batten siding, I can't stand it. I've never liked it. I did it out of necessity here because that's what I had the funds for at the time, because like I said, no debt for this shop, if you can't tell. It's not a big expensive build by any means, but I'm not going into debt for this. I'm just kind of dealing with it and getting materials and things as I can go. Been a long time since we've done a timber framing vlog, but I didn't want to do a bunch of filler videos labeling timber framing vlogs if it had nothing to do with the building process of this shop. So we'll throw some of these in here and there. We're still going to keep going on the metal lathe on the days we can. I've been filming our round bale repair, or our round baler repair, so I'll get that out there for you guys. There was some requests for that. Hopefully tomorrow night I'll be finishing that, and then the video will follow shortly. And then we also have a rail crane to put in from one end of this building to the other, because I have to hoist the base of this metal lathe up to take the legs off to work on it. And I don't feel like just screwing a board up in the ceiling. I've had this rail system here for quite some time. It's a rail and trolley. We're going to put it up, and that'll make our lives in here a hell of a lot easier. And it'll be nice for the next timber framing project I have. I have 2 of them for this year slated, hopefully to film. We'll see what happens. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll catch you on the next one.